The Algerian Air Force has received the first batch of MiG-29 M2 fighter aircraft from Russia, the country's specialized web portal menadefense.net reported on Monday. The fighters were delivered disassembled and are now being prepared for their first flights at the Oran airbase, the web portal said. The MiG-29 M2 fighters will replace MiG-29S aircraft operational in the Algerian Air Force's 193rd Fighter Squadron. These aircraft are identical to their Egyptian version, the web portal said. Russia's state arms seller Rosoboronexport, part of the state high-tech corporation Rostec, signed 2 contracts with Algeria on the delivery of a squadron of MiG-29 M2 fighters and a squadron of Su-30 Mka aircraft at the MAKS 2019 International Air Show near Moscow last year.